सो हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम ऑलीवुड का लाइव मॉक देने वाले फॉर TO2। अच्छा, पहले कर लेते हैं। एक मिनट। हम्म, इधर है। अच्छा, अच्छा ठीक है, हो गया। स्टार्ट द टेस्ट। लाइन y is equal to MC passes through. Slope is this: y minus 7, x minus 2, 3x minus 6, y minus 7, right? 3 y निकाल लेते। 3x minus प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू y। फिर m इज इक्वल टू 3, c इज इक्वल टू 1। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ c। 1 ही होगा ना, +1। 125, 3 is 11, 3 is 11, 1 is 11, 2 is 3, 4 is 12, 4 2 is 7, 4 is 28। फिर तो ये माइनस में आएगा ना, 156। 156 माइनस करेंगे तो 5 3 132 माइनस 132। फिर डिवीजन आएगा 2, तो 125 माइनस 2 माइनस 45/15 प्लस 75 माइनस 25, 45। 200 माइनस 5 माइनस 25, 200 माइनस 30 इक्वल टू 170। आधा कंपाउंडेड परसेंट गेट फॉर वन कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली, मतलब 6%। 12 प्लस 12.36। कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट रेट 15 6 है 90, 15 6 45, 54, 15 35, 15 1 15, 18, 1854। रीजनिंग से करते हैं स्टार्ट। इन एन एग्जामिनेशन G7 Z26 C3 23 -3 -4 K11 H8 -3 T20 Q17 B2 D4 E5 F6 P16 S19। अच्छा, -3 तो ये है। ये K11 H8 4 होगा ये, आई गेस। हाँ, 4। L12 H8 -4 S19 P16 -3 19 H8 19 11 12। मास्टर एड्रेस नंबर बाद में देखते हैं। The following is suppose that the minor right say collision with the passenger has a slight bruise and the poor judgment and offers character to quickly move on. For potential poor judgment after the minor slight bruise and the passenger drivers offer cash to settle quickly move on. Otherwise, have any future exchange contacting person wait for the insurer police advice or paperwork. Photograph the vehicle not driving and report via the app's incident channel. For suppose judgment after minor right say collision where a passenger has a slight bruise and the driver offer cash to settle quickly and move on. ये पोर्ट जजमेंट लग रहा है मेरे को। एक्सीडेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पुलिस एडवाइस है आस्क ऑलवेज नेवर मुझे the vehicle not the driver it is and report via अवॉइड पेपर वर्क, ये बोर्ड जजमेंट लग रहा है मुझे. P means P is neither greater nor equal to Q. The following to P, Q is greater than P. P is neither greater nor equal to Q is greater than. $72 और 18, A is equal to 80, मतलब B is equal to 24, 18 into 24 is equal to, अच्छा एट द रेट ढूंढना है ना मुझे. 18 एट द रेट 24 इज इक्वल टू 2342 डिवाइडेड 14 14. In a row of n, m plus m position was 14 from the front. M is equal to 14 from the front and 34th from the back. And 34th from the back. 30, 48 minus 147 people are. If n is standing in the middle of the row, m plus n is standing in the middle of the row. That means 23, 23, 46, 1, 24th, and in the 25th, 24th position. No lion, he's tiger. All cubs are lion. All cubs are lion. All cubs are lion. Some tigers are cats. Some tigers are cats. All cub is a tiger. All cub wrong. All cats are cubs. All cats are cubs wrong. All cats are lion. All cats are lion. All cats are lion. Wrong है ना ये भी. Cub is a tiger. None follows. Then हम लोग का 36 साइन चेंज इंटू डिवाइड तो चेंज नहीं होगा जैसा लग रहा है. इंटू चेंज होएगा ना. ठीक है, फिर माइनस में आ जाएगा फिर भी. अच्छा इंटू चेंज होगा. इंटू एम प्लस चेंज कर देते हैं. इंटू एम प्लस 36 डिवाइडेड बाई 12 प्लस 247 इंटू 19. ये भी ज़्यादा होएगा फिर. 36 माइनस 12 7, 36 plus 12 247 divided by 19 minus 171. 19 to 19, 19 is 57, 15 156 118 190, 2 minus 171 which gives us 21. If all the balls are in alphabetical order, or position, alphabetical order, added position, all considered in the even position, the word barbecue. At odd position मतलब 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 7 8 right. All the vowels alphabetical odd position. A E sorry odd position मतलब A E E U. ये भी तो odd होगा फिर. A E E U. ये होगा odd position. And consider an alphabetical order even position consonant. B Q R. B is at the first position and A is at the second position. What is it? B is at the first position. Okay. The first harmony will remain unchanged. B E Q U E 2 3 4 4 4. P Q R S P Q R S P Q R S P 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 4 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. S P Q R S है क्या? P Q R Q R है क्या Q R then Q P Q R S फिर S R P Q S R P Q यही होगा फिर P Q R S ये चल रहा है. New government policy aims to reduce carbon emission by 50% in the next decade. The government will ban all vehicles that run on fossil fuels immediately. Government will shut down all the coal powers. Neither conclusion one or two follows. It is a 64. 6 is 36. 6 का square minus 64 minus 4. अच्छा 144 minus 6 100 minus 5. ठीक है 144 minus इसका half 64 minus 4 36 minus 3 half 144 minus 3 होगा ये भी 100 minus 3 P16 R18 O15 P16 E5 R18 R18 T20 Q17 R18 G7 T20 plus 2 R18 20 20 13 M13 M13 then T20 minus 2 E5 3 C3 20 6 7 E5 C3 होगा ना 6 7 3 4 R18 19 20 T20 के 11 12 13 U1 3 C3 then M13 5 6 7 30 40 15 7 G7 ठीक ही तो था CTM +2 हो रहा है ना राउंड होगा एक सर्कल होगा 2 इसे तो कॉन्सोनेंट अरेंज इन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर लेट इज अल्फाबेटिकल कॉन्सोनेंट C D I M N S Y. Later then she put in a consonant which is third. Someone which is third from the words are letters are there in alphabet series which is third from the left. D I M R S Y I D M R S Y. Then we have this A I I A double I 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 9 10 S तो होगा D हो गया A हो गया I हो गया R हो गया Y हो गया M भी हो गया फिर A हो गया I हो गया double D. Between the consonant which is third from the left and the consonant which is third from the right. Second third. Left and the consonant which is third from the right. 13 R18 M13 5 15 into means addition 28 means division this means multiplication 7 subtraction 4 7 27 14 64 minus 7 is equal to 57 sign S19 H8 I9 N14 E5 27 36 30 40 55 A1 अच्छा T20 15 D4 A1 YZ 25 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. And A is taller than F, who is shorter than 3%. एक तो F is taller than F, who is shorter than 3%. दो दो तीन. C is shorter than D. C is shorter than D, who is tallest. D, who is tallest. B is taller than E. B is taller than E. C is neither short not. C is neither shorter than F, not taller than. Okay. C is neither shorter than F, not taller than E. A is taller than F. F who is shorter than 3%. एक दो तीन केसेस बन रहा है. F A this F A D, who is the tallest. D, who is the tallest. D. A case होगा. B is taller than E. B is taller than E. C is neither shorter than F, not taller than E. Neither shorter than F, neither taller than A. C is shorter than D, who is the tallest. B is taller than E. B is taller than E. C is neither shorter. C is neither shorter than F. बाद में करते हैं इसे. What the number is opposite to 4? 4, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 3, 6, 2. 12 into 3, half into 3, half into 3, half. 40.5. बाद में देखते हैं. Suited to choose the reason they want to. No change should not be taught about religion. Adamant walks instead of walking this direction from school after walking 7. He takes a right turn from point A and walks 8 km reach point B. After that he takes a left turn and walks 5 km and reach point G. The shortest distance between point A and G is x kilometer. 1300, it is 64, which gives us 36.6. $71, 8, 7, we give 4 हो गया. Then ये होगा प्लस ही हो रहा है, राइट. 8, 7, 4 प्लस 15 प्लस -4 होगा. ये तो नहीं चल रहा है. इसका पेयर 8, 4. X is a brother of C, who is the sister of V. G is the mother of B, who is the spouse of V. G is the mother of B, who is the spouse of V. J is the daughter of V. J is the daughter of V and granddaughter of R. R इधर भी हो सकता है, R इधर भी हो सकता है. इधर 5 females. 1, 2. That's the brother of C, who is the sister of V. The family consists of 5 females. 1, 2, 3. अच्छा फीमेल्स, राइट. 1, 2, 3. फिर यहाँ पर एक 4 हो गया, फिर ये भी 5 हो गया. R. Then how is R related to B? B. Mother-in-law. Put into one occasion, Rita said, "He is the son of my father." Rita ka father, elder brother, son. Yeah, how is the boy related to Rita? Cousin. 1024 512 डिफरेंस देखे क्या इसका 1 8 81 डिफरेंस इसका डिफरेंस देखिए 102 194 8 81 डिफरेंस है 81 माइनस करेंगे 891 monthly savings of person quadrilateral PRS plus QSR. अच्छा फाइंड द वैल्यू PTQ इज इक्वल टू हाफ होता है क्या 116 ratio the bits 5x 6x 2y 1y volumes is equal to 5x into 2y by 6x into 1y 11 is to 15 height of the cuboid A height अच्छा 27 A इंटू एक्स वाई भाई ये कैंसिल हो रहा है 3 9 27 फिर एक्स इधर जाएगा फिर 45 इंटू 15 बाई 11 राइट 5x लेंथ 2y इंटू 6x इंटू 1y इंटू 1y इंटू पी अच्छा 15/11 दिया हुआ है ना 15 5 3 53 9 27 2 3 6 3 3 9 33 is equal to P. Excellent. I can complete the work in solo while complete the job is 48 3 2 they work on alternative started with y 2 days में हम लोग का 5 y start then we have 5 8 40 16 दिन में 40 काम 17 डे में 42 प्लस 2 राइट 18 डे में 45 19 डे में 47 19 then 1/3 राइट एंड 57 58/3 दिन में काम करते हैं हमने 50% काम फुल्ली कम्प्लीटेड लेकिन हमें चाहिए था I think 2 to the 4 to 29/3 होगा ना हाफ तो 9/3 रेशियो डाल रेट ऑफ मशहूर डाल को सिर्फ मिक्स हो देता हाँ भाई गेनिंग CP इंटू 5/4 इज इक्वल टू 5625 00 25 5 25 5 5 10 25 5 to the 10 5 10 25 to 5 10 25 CP is equal to 45 41 45 52 4 7 7:4 क्लिक क्यों नहीं हो रहा है बाद में मीडियन पहले ऑर्डर में करते हैं 12 16 then we have 23 16 17 23 then we have 25 3 3 6 7 3 3 6 7 8 23 25 9 9 नहीं हुआ है 9 12 12 हो गया 10 हो गया 25 हो गया 17 हो गया 9 हो गया 21 हो गया 21 23 25 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 33 sort item profit is multiplied, the cost price increased by 25%. Profit CP into 250 by 100 is equal to SP. CP by SP is equal to 10/25 with the 5 to 10 25, the cost price increased by 4/5 to the 8 30 2 into 1/4 5/4 है ना 2.5 देन 2.5 मतलब 50% का प्रॉफिट होगा राइट 50% 11 2 6 12 2 7 14 4 root 7 minus 7 root 7 by minus 2 root 7 3 root 7 minus 7 7 by root 7 which gives us minus 3 a negative integer. X 17 17 4 जा 75 से 85 17 5 से 85 1 इतना सा जा रहा है फिर वहाँ 5 110 से इसे डिवाइड करेंगे तो 251 105 से 204 4 14 आएगा फिर अच्छा कैन बी से 116 15 ये नहीं होगा ना बाद में देखते हैं एक्स क्यूब प्लस 1 माइनस एक्स क्यूब एक्स प्लस 1 बाय एक्स इज इक्वल टू 85 राइट फिर एक्स माइनस 1 बाय एक्स इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 85 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4 ये होता है 81 होता है विच गिव्स अस 9 7 7 to 9 होगा ना माइनस 327 702 702 और प्लस होगा आई गेस प्लस होगा ना 9 10 6 2 2 4 5 7 5 6 7 to 9 plus it was 11 odd numbers is 21 that is 21 है 23 है 20 then here we have 25 27 29 31 1 2 3 4 5 31 होगा लास्ट इस नंबर okay ABC the refrigeration need a food item is this what about the food delivery on time 1 minus non-deliver on time 0.4 but 9 10 0.7 0.9 16 2.2 and होगा ना to 3 1 2 5 2 1 2 2 4 88 4 88 10648 wait 694 food delivers on time 0.6 by 2 2 नहीं 27 motion potential 100 meter distance in 10 seconds 10 meter per second 50 by 4 25/2 meter per second and the speed of molecule is how much 1% more than the 12.5 2.5 then Rohan, which gives us 25 solid one radius 150 converted 1 by 3 by r square 1 by 3 by r square into h 20 into 10 into 9 into k double zero gets cancelled 210 into 5 9 21 5 are 15 here we have 3 5 are 15 22 बचा 7 गया 125 plus 44 50 55 49 11 25 1 25 275 152 downstream x plus 19 at x same time to cover x minus y is equal to 19 which gives us 19 into 8 x is equal to 13 6.5 y is equal to 1.5 3 1.5 still water 5 to the 10 6 12 hours Uday has a 2 geometry 1 box include 4 black pens 2 blue pens contains 3 black pens 5 blue pens both are black half into 4 by 6 plus half into 3 by 8 black right then we have यही तो होगा सॉरी 12 plus 3 by 16 48 16 plus 9 25 by 48 both are black 6 14 होगा क्या half into 4 by 6 plus half into 3 by 5 48 16 plus 9 by 48 by 48 both are black बाद में देखते हैं इसे भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर qx is equal to -9 q by p is equal to 5 by 1 p square minus 5x minus 9 perfect square एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0, ये नहीं होगा। फिर एक्स बाई पी इज इक्वल टू 6/1 एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x नहीं होगा। पी बाई क्यू इज इक्वल टू 6/1 एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स मतलब 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 9 नहीं होगा। फिर पी बाई क्यू 4/1 एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स प्लस 9 4 पी एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स बाई पी इज इक्वल टू 5/1 राइट। एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 9, ये तो इम्पॉसिबल है। फिर क्यू बाई पी इज इक्वल टू 6/1 राइट। एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0। अच्छा प्लस 6 3 तो आ रहा है ना। triangles and other triangles is this 11 sum of two sides is greater than hypotenuse 49 61 acute angle triangle obtuse नहीं होगा, equilateral भी नहीं होगा। equilateral में क्या होता है प्रॉपर्टी, equilateral में तो सेम ही होता है ना। अच्छा एंगल्स है ना ये तो 11 18 10 50 60 70 लेस देन 90 डिग्री है सभी। acute angle triangle इसका cosine स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 is correct। cosine स्क्वायर माइनस cot स्क्वायर नहीं होगा ये तो 3 sin 30 3 into 1/2 minus 4 into 4 to the 8 5 to the 8 so 1/2 2/2 is equal to 1 करेक्ट। ये तो करेक्ट हो रहा है। 12 मल्टीप्लाई होगा 4 9 जा 400 इंटू 1000 4000 समथिंग राइट। 1000 इंटू 8 इंटू 400 इंटू प्लस 56 4 5 6 6 2 12 6 9 54 5 2 10 64 65 4 2 8 5 9 45 99 107 113 36 81 92 92 and 36 36 45 then we have doubled 1 2 3 5 4 5 4.52352 so आपके पास हो सका डिस्काउंट 85 and to successive discount of 98/100 to the mark price is 1200 9 is 70 88 98 6 105 1058.4 then the new mean of the new values डिवाइड बाय 4.5. What is the value of 18, 19, 20? अच्छा है. थ्री टू फोर 61. 400. डिफरेंस कितना है? 39. ओके. n plus 1 divided by 6. Number of terms minus n plus 1 by 6. Number of terms कितना है? फर्स्ट 1 to 36 कितना है? 36 टर्म्स है. 36, 37, 73 by 6 माइनस फिर 1 to 17. We have 17 terms. 18 into 34, 35 by 6. 6 3 is 18, 6 6 is 36. ये होगा ना 37 into 73, 21, 39, 7 49, 58, 60, 70, 21, 70, 621 plus 27, 2701. अच्छा 6 भी तो है. 61, 6, 2 double 7 से 51, 35, 135, 175, 178, 1785, which gives us 1. 10, 2, 11, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 4, 2, 1. On top of the building, the another place on top and bottom of the tower are these Charlie. Okay, if the height of the building is y, the height of the tower is x, find x is to y. That means ये भी y हो गया, right? अगर √3 is equal to y √3 by 3 ये होगा y √3 by 3 ये होगा, right? फिर हम लोग का find x is to y. x is to y तो y ही रहेगा. फिर x y minus 3y minus y √3 by 3 3y minus y √3 y get cancelled. 3 minus y 3 minus √3 3 is to 3 minus √3 PO is equal to 19, OQ is equal to 16, RO is equal to 38. 19 into 16 into x 8. एक मिनट ये देख लेता हूँ. A contains 4 black, 2 blue. B contains 3 black, 5 blue. So they both are black pen. Right. 4C2 into 3C2 by 6 14C2. each बॉक्स है ना. यहाँ से ब्लैक पेन बाय 61 इतना है, प्लस इधर से ब्लैक पेन लाने का 8C1 है, राइट. 4/6 प्लस 3/8 6 से 18 40 50 by 6 से 48. यही तो आ रहा है. बहुत है ब्लैक पेन. हाफ इंटू 4/6 प्लस हाफ इंटू 3/8. वन माइनस नॉन ब्लैक कर देते हैं. नॉन माइनस दैट इज 2/6 प्लस हाफ इंटू 5 by 8, 12, 16, 48, 15, 23 by 48, 5. Nature, the probability it delivers the food on time is this. The food delivery on time 6 by 10 plus 7 by 10 plus 9 by 10, 22 by 10 divided by this is the total probability 10. Food on time is here 10. 10, 22 by 10 delivered on time 0 by 4, 0 by 3 plus 0 by 1 minus कर देते हैं 0 minus 8 minus 928 by 1000 into 7 by 10, 9 by 10, 378, 2 आ रहा है ना प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं होता है मुझसे कभी मैं कंपनी में 30 wired 35%, rest of wireless 65%, wireless no wired 80 by 100 into 35 by 100, 2800, and wireless wired wireless side 90 by 100 into 65 100 into which are not working, then 80 into 20%, 10%, right? double zero get cancel, double zero get cancel, then 7 700 700 7 14. ये तो ज़रूरत नहीं है ना 2800 से कैंसिल ही हो रहा है विच आर नॉट वर्किंग 2800 कैंसिल ही हो रहा है फिर 700 प्लस 650 बाई टोटल कितने 2800 हो गया 1350 2800 कैंसिल 1350 13.5 ही होना चाहिए salary monthly savings of person is 25% savings total monthly salary NIS is 45,000 on shopping degree 45 360 degree okay 360 degree is equal to 100% 72 degree कितना है 5 20% then 20% रिप्रेजेंट करता है 4500 को then 2 to the 4 2 to the 225 1% का वैल्यू इतना है मंथली सेविंग्स ऑफ पर्सन इज 25% टोटल मंथली सैलरी कितना होगा इसका 22500 टोटल मंथली सैलरी सेविंग्स annual salary of the person wait शॉपिंग में कितना 72 की यहाँ से हम लोग का 225 आया, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं मंथली सेविंग्स ऑफ परसेंट 25% टोटल मंथली सैलरी। ओके, सेविंग्स इज इक्वल टू, सेविंग से हम लोग का 25%, एक्सपेंडिचर है 75, इनकम है 100, राइट, एंड एक्सपेंस 4500 एंड शॉपिंग एक्सपेंडिचर का ये ग्राफ, ठीक है। शॉपिंग 72 डिग्री विच गिव्स अस 136, 360 इज इक्वल टू 180, 72, 36 टू 132, 5 5 5 60 इक्वल टू 100 डिग्री टू 20 10 टू 5 120 डिग्री आया, राइट, 100%। ठीक है, 20 00 वन स्पेंड 4500 शॉपिंग, मतलब 72 डिग्री 360 डिग्री रिप्रेजेंट करता है 100% को। 72 डिग्री 36 वन 36 टू जा 5, दैट मीन्स 20%, 72% 20% को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है। 20% का वैल्यू 4500 है, 100% का फिर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ना, 22500 है ये 100% का वैल्यू। दैट मीन्स हम लोग का ये पूरा एक्सपेंडिचर 75 का वैल्यू 22500, देन फाइंड द मंथली सैलरी 100%, और 3 4 15 3 लाख। क्या कर रहा था मैं भी यार, ये हो गया रीजनिंग। द बिल्डिंग ABCD are living on odd number 4, people living on even number 4. The topmost building is number 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5 4 4 8 5 6 7 8, ठीक है। हाँ 3%। PQRS living on even number 4, the bottommost floor is not bottommost floor is number bottommost floor 8 1 2 4 5 6 7 8. Only B is below R. Only B is below R. B is below R. Who is living immediately above? Who is living immediately above A? ठीक है, 3% are between P and S. 3% are between P and S is not a neighbor of Q. P और S के बीच में 1 2 3 बैठ रहा है, राइट। इससे तो कुछ नहीं होगा। Who is immediately below A is not a neighbor of B. 2% sitting between A and P. 2% are sitting between A and P. S is immediately above D. S is immediately above D. इससे भी कुछ नहीं होता। 2% sitting between A and P. A P डाल दिया हम लोग, then S is immediately above D. above D. ये इससे भी नहीं हो रहा है। 2% sitting between P and S. P and S ओके, इससे हो सकता है। सपोज मैंने P को इधर डाल दिया, P and A. A is not a neighbor of Q. A is not a neighbor of Q. Q इधर हो। S is immediately above D. S is immediately above D. Q इधर हो सकता है। C D B C D C C बचा ना। A B C D are living on odd number floor, नहीं होगा। Sufficient to answer the question below A, नहीं होगा ना इससे तो। Examination center code are from initial of the state UT by the initial of the state UT और 5 digit in a fixed at 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है। हिमाचल प्रदेश HP and 3 positive numbers Add up to 3 position integer add up to 12. How many of them are even? 3 4 7 5 4 2 6 7 8 4 8, right? Then 3 6 6 7 5. Wrong. Positive integer add up to 12. Exactly two of them are odd. Exactly two of them are odd. Then 3 4 6. Then we have a 6. Then we have 5 5 2. The one number is 3. One number is 3 3 5 6 7 8. Notch number, flat number, flat number, rose garden number, based to sector 18 Noida. Apartments 201 301. Apartments garden apartments page 2301. Flat number comma 402 comma rose garden GRDN apart me adjustments phase comma phase 2 सेक्टर SCCT सेक्टर. अच्छा 18 ये होगा ना. 5% have different exam. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 1% exam between B and E. D doesn't have exam on Tuesday. A has an exam immediately after E. 2% have exam between A and C. Okay. Only 1% exam between B and E, B and E, B and E, right? B and E. ये कर सकता हूँ मैं. So B and E होगा ना, ठीक है. And then A has an exam immediately after E. A has an exam immediately after invalid. Then 2% has exam between A and C. 2% has exam between A and C. ये नहीं होगा. 2% has exam between A and C. Then अच्छा ये हो सकता है A and C. A and C. Then between A and C, on which day C is having an exam? Sunday. After from Monday to Friday, same order. Between exam between B and E. 2% has B and E. And D has no exam on Tuesday. A has an exam immediately after E. 12% A and C. Between A and C. A and C. ये भी तो होगा फिर. ये देखते बाद में. A is taller than F, who is shorter than 3%. Here will be tricky था. 5%. Some children be able to choose the religion they want to. Yourself. argument. 8 8 7 4 11 4 चार चार का डिफरेंस है, 3 होना चाहिए था उधर. Hamlet. Okay, let me join my mouse. दो प्रोबेबिलिटी छोड़ दिया, दो प्रोबेबिलिटी था आई गेस. दो मतलब मार्क्स आएगा, दो मतलब कितना, 6 उतना तो नहीं आएगा. GDP पर represents the average economic output per person dividing gross. बाद में लिखते हैं mark for review. Where is GDP per capita represents the average economic output per person in country calculated by dividing gross domestic product population. Yes. Output. Yes. 86 तो स्टूडेंट वाला था ना. Regular was founded by Muhammad bin Tughlaq in 1320 after overthrowing last Khilji dynasty. Tughlaq, where is this? किधर गया? किधर गया ये? Tughlaq dynasty. बात पे MDH. Tughlaq dynasty was founded by Muhammad bin Tughlaq after the Khilji dynasty. Tughlaq. पहले आया हम लोग का मामलुक डायनेस्टी. Then we have this खिलजी, ये होगा. Yes. Other dynasty in this line due to weak successor administrative failures, invasion like the Balu Lodi. Following or direct tax. ये होता है ना webpro.co.in. income tax, wealth tax, property tax, corporate tax, capital gains tax, excuse me, excise, custom, sales tax, me. Laterite soil is an nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Laterite soil. Laterite soil becomes hard and break while exploded due to oxidation. 2 is right. Laterite soil contains least amount of iron and aluminum oxide, giving it a reddish color. There are nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphate. 361. Other difference provides immunity to which of the following? If 361, right? 324 election and 324 to 360. Yeah. Supreme Court. After the central nervous coatomy is a central task standard control organization in January 2020. Coatomy is a लक्ष्य डिवाइस proportion of schedule type of them all. ये हो सकता है ये लक्षद्वीप था यार. Schedule type. The recurring growth rate for the schedule types in organization was higher than that for two to obviously right. Because the following literary work. मेघदूत रघुवंशम अबुंदलम शकुंतलम मेघाक्षतिका अवि तीन ओनली तीन एंड अवि शकुंतलम मेघदूत रघुवंशम तीन ओनली होगा. फॉलोइंग बेस्ट का रेवेन्यू रिसीप्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. रेवेन्यू रिसीप्ट्स रिसीप्ट रेवेन्यू receipts obtained mainly through borrowings and disinvestment. Non-recurring and creates liabilities. Here the new revenue receipts. Why micro is able to pass through clouds? Because micro is travel faster than any magnetic wave. Sorry, particles. Rajya Sabha make rules for regulating posting and conduct of business. Rules framed under Article 20 regulate debates, question motions, voting and dismissal inside the state legislature. 108 208 is the following team won the 42nd Indian Oil Oval Surjit Stadium, which in a territory will be under Article 41 to 131st Amendment Bill 2025. Ethanoic acid is classified as weak acid because it does not completely dissociate in ethanoic acid does not react with carbon while ethanoic acid widely used food preservative due to its antibacterial ethanoic acid. Pradhan Mantri School for Rising India. Pradhan Mantri Schools for Rising India schools. Government schools, yes. We are National Education Policy 2025, right? Oh, 1 2 3. Hulla Lobo in the October for the Kingdom Response Federation. हुल्ला बालो कुछ बंगाली वो टर्म है ये. This parenchyma is chlorine between cells. एडेनकाइमा होता है उसको एडेनकाइमा बोलते हैं. Parenchyma tissue for starch proteins and water. Parenchyma, yes. So it's an important role in wound healing and tissue region. Parenchyma is chlorine. Yes. And a large intestine between parenchyma. एडेनकाइमा होता है ना, पेरेन्काइमा के अंदर ही आता होगा आई गेस. In the Vijayanagar Empire, the Ayagar system primarily refers to Ayagar system, a system of village servants receiving land grants or income from performing military services at assigning lands to warriors and returns to Ayagar system. Auxiliary system managed by temples at the village level, but even as a crop time. The following is known as the father of Indian ecology, Ramdev Mishra. Gully doesn't mix nutrient rich topsoil increasingly wrong. Topsoil contain organic matter essential for crops, right? Topsoil contains organic matter रॉन्ग, ये तो असर्शन रॉन्ग है। H false, R is true. Swaraj Party was founded as a leader Swaraj Party. I think 1924 में हुआ था। Swaraj Party 1924 में फॉर्म हुआ था, I guess. 30 1916. प्रधानमंत्री भारतीय जनौषधि परियोजना। प्रोडिफेरा। ए का 2 है, बी का 4 नीटेरिया, आर्थ्रोपोडा को तो वो है ना जॉइंटेड लेग्स, डोंट हैव। टी का 1 है, बी का एनिलिडा, नीडेरिया, तो पोडा। तो पोडा, पोडा पोपोसिटी, एनिलिडा, नीडेरिया, presence of jointed appendages, B4 presence of stinging cells, बी का 4 ही है, ए का 2 है, बी का 3, सी का 4 है, एनिलिडा, ट्रूसेलम, अच्छा, ट्रूसेलम, ए सीलोम, यस, ठीक है फिर, राइट है ये। किधर गया? फॉर्म्स एन इनलैंड डेल्टा इन इंडिया, गंगा, इनलैंड, ये होगा इनलैंड। तो देखो बड़ी फॉर्म्स। अच्छा, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट के बाद आई थिंक स्वराज पार्टी वाज फॉर्म। नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, कॉपरेट नहीं करेंगे इसलिए मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ दैट। सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट, चौड़ी चौड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट, कोई इंडिया मूवमेंट भी नहीं है। स्वराज पार्टी 1923 था ना स्वराज पार्टी। देन द आयागर सिस्टम, प्राइमरी रिफर टू आयागर system, village servants receiving land grants or income for performing specific service, आयागर। मिलिट्री एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन assigning land to warriors in return for service, ये तो है। सिटीजन मैनेजर टेम्पल ऑथोरिटी आता है विलेज लेवल, और रेवेन्यू असेसमेंट ऑन लैंड फर्टिलिटी एंड क्रॉप टाइप, और रेवेन्यू असेसमेंट मेथड नहीं, ये नहीं होगा। आयागर is which will included on the constitution, will included under article 240 of the constitution to 131st amendment। दो सौ 8 following the revenue received of the government, revenue receipts that lead to creation of public assets, recurring incomes that neither clears liability nor reduce government assets, receipts that are not recurring and create receipts obtained mainly through borrowings and disinvestment borrowings, ये तो नहीं होगा। revenue receipt that are non recurring and create liabilities, revenue receipt ये नहीं है। recurring incomes that neither clear liability nor reduce government asset, receipts that lead to creation of public asset, revenue receipt। recurring incomes that neither creates liabilities nor reduce income. Taste got this more. Okay, I'm ready. Taste got this upu. Recurring income that neither creates liability nor reduce the government asset. Recurring incomes that neither create liabilities nor reduce government assets. Recurring incomes that neither create liabilities nor reduce government assets. Mark for review. मुझे तो ये लग रहा है approved by the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Coartem is a vaccine developed for prevention of blood cancer in children. A gene editing drug approved for treatment of leukemia using CRSV. CAR T cell for adult B cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma. An antibody-based immunotherapy developed entirely by Indian government. Article 361 of the Indian Constitution provides immunity to which of the following? 361 provides immunity to which of the following? Judges of the Supreme Court from criminal proceedings, members of Parliament for speeches in Parliament, ये नहीं होगा. President governments for criminal proceedings during their term. ये हो सकता. Election Commissioner from Judicial Review from Judges of Supreme Court. अच्छा ये है. Since ये बनता है. Then with the following revenue districts of the government is that later creation of assets. The police said to the accused, "Who have you met before making the phone calls?" The police asked the accused whom he had met. Whom he had met. Asked the accused whom he had met before. ये होगा. He delivered his maiden speech. Maiden speech. Initial speech, final speech है क्या? Maiden speech. He delivered his maiden speech at the conference to a captivated audience. Maiden speech. I guess which sentence contains a word that is spelled incorrectly? Intentionally ambiguous, committee, unanimous, remarkable, perseverance, VERNC, crisis, explanation, intentionally, delivered, DELIVERED. ओके मुझे डाउट लग रहा है. Perseverance, perseverance. The professor delivered a lucid explanation of the theory. The professor delivered explanation of a theory. Intentionally ambiguous, 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 committee reached unanimous decision, remarkable, perseverance, R नहीं होगा आई गेस. R नहीं होना चाहिए. A person whose job is to chauffeur. बाद में the boss is to decide the next course of action. The next course of action is to be decided. The next course of action R नहीं होगा ना. Action is to be decided. Reliable, synonym of reliable. Dodgy नहीं होगा. Untrustworthy भी नहीं होगा. Irritating, staunch. एंथनी मतलब डिक्लाइंड में होगा हम लोग का. एंथनी मतलब गिवन और डिक्लाइन में होगा. डिक्लाइन घट गया. डिक्लाइन घटना है ना. दैट मीन्स एक्सेप्टेड, वर्सन, डेटोरेटेड. So does the phase. He told me that when I was rich, I was doing the best. He said to me, when I was rich, I was doing direct speech. When I was rich, when you are rich, you are doing the best. He said to me, when I am rich, I am doing the best. was rich. When you are rich, you are doing the best. Okay. Moderation. What moderation? Moderation मतलब balanced. Traditional nutrition is relative well being. Dietary imbalance is too. Present traditional nutrition practice and the role and family which are the following best completes the analogy. Traditional nutrition is to collective well being as dietary imbalance is to disease. Community based nutrition practices in India reflect a deep connection between food habits and well being. Nutrition practices in India reflect a deep present सिंपल प्रेजेंट ही होगा ना ये तो कैमोफ्लाज मतलब डिस्गाइज लूसिड क्लियर का फिर एम्बिगियस होगा ambiguous not able to understand the saint said to man the man blessed this man who believed in you without doubting the saint told me the man blessed this man the saint told me that the man रिपोर्टेड डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट अच्छा ये भी डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट था क्या किधर गया हम लोग का ट्रेडिशन डायरेक्ट स्पीच when you are rich you are doing the best when you are rich you are doing the best so the option that after the given sentence direct speech he said to me when you were rich you were doing the best when you are rich you are doing the best okay and the saint said to me the man blessed this man who believed in you without doubting the saint told me that the man has blessed has seen you the man who blessed this man who believed in you without doubting saint told me that the saint told me that the man had blessed that man who has believed in me had blessed the man who had believed without doubting choose chase rainbow the crowd suddenly dashed silent when the lights went out had fallen silent the crowd suddenly fell silent had fallen silent the crowd suddenly fell silent the crowd suddenly had fallen suddenly he suddenly fell from the tower he suddenly was had failed the crowd suddenly fell silent when the lights went out the noise pollution emanated as the busy street emitted from dash his family and friends his colleagues but also beside besides besides beside his his besides his family and friends beside him I want to say besides him beside a gentleman agreement a gentleman's agreement obligation with written proof of it gentleman is large unreliable person only by the honor of the participants reckless